Wait, is this a real phone? Fearful face cell phone. Look closely, because everything you see is handmade. Okay, let's open this mysterious box. What's inside? Eyes. First, we have the charger. Electric plug, but wait, there's something else. Wow, a tiny mobile notebook. Notebook cell phone. Let's see what's inside. This looks like a mini phone diary. And here comes the main surprise. My paper phone. Smiling face cell phone. But can this phone actually make a call? Let's try calling Mama. Phone. Calling Mama. Oh no, the battery is almost dead. Good thing I have my paper charger. Let's plug in the charging pin. Connected. Now into the socket. Electric plug. And boom, my paper phone is charging. High voltage cell phone. If you love this paper phone, like, share and subscribe. Red heart. Comment what I should make next.